Vehicle size can be described by a set of standardized exterior dimensions that permit direct comparisons to be made between one vehicle and another. To help clarify what they mean, here are descriptions of some of the key terms used to define exterior dimensions. Overall length is simply the total length of the vehicle measured from its furthest point in front to the furthest point in back. Overall width is the maximum width of the vehicle measured at its widest point, wherever that may be, usually excluding exterior mirrors and flexible mud flaps unless specifically stated. Overall height is the distance from flat level ground to the highest point on the vehicle, excluding components such as flexible antennae, with the vehicle in its as-designed static position with proper tire pressures and without people or cargo on board. Wheelbase is the distance between the center point of the front and rear wheels. Front tread or track width is the distance between the center lines of the two front tires measured at the ground with the wheels pointed straight ahead. Rear tread or track width is the distance between the center lines of the two rear tires measured at the ground. Approach angle is the maximum angle of a ramp or slope a vehicle can climb without contacting the ground. It is defined as the angle between the ground and a plane from the front tires to the lowest point of interference with the vehicle in front of those tires. Departure angle is the maximum angle of a ramp or slope a vehicle can descend without contacting the ground. It is defined as the angle between the ground and a plane from the rear tires to the lowest point of interference with the vehicle behind those tires. Ground clearance is the distance from flat level ground to the lowest point on the bottom of a vehicle other than the tires. Stated differently, it represents the tallest obstacle over which a vehicle could drive without interference. Fording depth is the maximum depth of water in which a vehicle can operate without risk of damage to any of its components. Turning radius is the radius of the tightest circle a vehicle can turn with maximum steering input, measured from the center of the circle to the outer edge of the vehicle's tires on the outside of the turn. Stated differently, it represents the radius of the tightest circle a vehicle could negotiate if it was surrounded by a curb. The features and functions described in this video might not be applicable to your Toyota model. See your owner's manual for details. Thanks for watching this Know Your Toyota video.